All right, in this video, we're gonna go over how to clean a residential screen. The screen was actually on the window that we just cleaned. We're going to clean the screen up and reinstall it back into that window. We're gonna start by taking a wet mop and hitting the screen with it on both sides. You're going to take your yellow rag and you're going to clean the edges of the screen, the frames. Look on both sides and just make sure there's no gunk and dirt and stuff on it. And you can take that same yellow rag and just tap it to get some of that water off. And then you're going to use this yellow rag and you're going to dry both sides of the screen. Go over the edges one more time. You can even pop it one more time, and it's ready to go back inside the window. When you install a screen, make sure that you install it the same way that you pulled it out. So if these tabs were facing outward, we would reinstall the screen with the tabs facing outward. In this case, this customer has yellow ugly stickers facing out and the tabs sticking out. She prefers them facing in, so it looks better. So we're just going to take these tabs, push them up into the top lip, insert the bottom of the screen. And if you notice there's a little bit of dirt here, we can just kind of try to clean that up a little bit. That's it. Wipe the edge, wipe the sill. That window is done.